navigating. It's so much in sync with you that sometimes it feels like it's thinking ahead for you. Now this is what it looks like on the big screen. It's beautiful. The design was inspired by nature. Our industrial design team and mechanical engineering teams did a phenomenal job. I think it's just beautiful. Now let's talk about some technology. So everyone get their propeller beanies spinning a little bit. We'll talk about what's inside. We wanted you to have a lot of data bandwidth. So we built in EVDO, Rev A, and 802.11 B and G Wi-Fi. And we didn't want you to get lost. So we built in GPS with third-party turn-by-turn navigation. And we wanted you to use the latest cool accessories. So we built in Bluetooth, version 2.1 with EDR and stereo support. Now I've got some of those nice new Bluetooth stereo speakers sitting on my desk. They sound great. And because you'll be putting a lot of information, a lot of data on the device, we built in 8 gigabytes of storage. And because you'll need to be processing all of that information, we built in a really fast processor. We're using TI's latest OMAP 3430 processor. Pre is the first smartphone with this processor. And it combines laptop-like performance with a mobile power footprint. Now let's take a look at some details. Let's take a look at the front. It has a gorgeous 3.1-inch display, half VGA resolution, that's 320 by 480. And it's got a touchscreen with multi-touch capability. Now the touchscreen goes over the display area, but also extends down to the center button. And that area below the display is called the gesture area. And we're going to tell you a lot more about that in a little while. Pre also has a variety of sensors, so it knows about the environment that it's in. Now let's flip around the side. You have volume up, down. We flip around the back. We give you a 3 megapixel camera with LED flash and extended depth of field capability. We have some awesome DSP software that allows you to take phenomenal photographs. And there's a speaker, so you can do a speakerphone or listen to some music. And by popular demand, we've allowed you to remove the back and replace the battery. Let's flip around the other side. Micro USB connector for charging, and we give you high-speed USB 2.0 with USB mass storage support, so it looks just like a USB drive. Flipping around the top, industry standard 3.5mm headset jack, so you can use those beautiful Palm headsets, or whatever your favorite are. Mine are like those Bose noise-canceling ones particularly. We have the traditional Palm ringer on-off switch, and a power button.